Misty here from the TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to day 4 of the 2020 holiday card series. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, we are doing the first of several zero stamping, zero die cutting videos. So in today's video, I am using not a creature stirring. I think this was the Photoplay Christmas collection from last holiday season, but we are going to use die cuts and paper to create 3 different cards, and I don't believe there is any die cutting on these cards. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure there's not. I'm going to share with you how to make 3 cards today. So yeah, so let's head over to a craft table and we will get started. This video is actually going to move really quickly because I am making 3 quick and simple cards for you guys today. Initially, I was playing with this layout, but then I found a card that I'd already started last year that I didn't realize was around. So I went ahead and decided to finish that. So this is the card I'm talking about. You can see that I used the plaid paper, and then I have the gingerbread houses behind, and then there is this a hexagon? I don't know, one of the shapes. One of the shapes. And then I go ahead and cut down this strip of paper. This has cooking utensils and I think some oven mitts on it. So then I decided to go ahead and add the image with some Scotch mounting foam. Scotch mounting foam. Oh my word. And then I also did the same thing for the sentiment, and that's going to be the first card done. So really quick and simple, really easy layers. You see the background, or excuse me, the cardstock is pink. There is a pop of pink in this paper pad in this collection. So yeah, I don't know how well it fits, but it's there. So for card number 2, I really loved this cute little mouse image, and I also loved this cup of cheer image. So I decided to go ahead and use both of them. And I'm just kind of going through the paper scraps, looking for any kind of sentiment, etc. This is how I normally do it. I pull them all out, then I just kind of move them around, decide what I want, decide what I don't want. And you really just have to play with it. And like I mentioned, almost every craft company does some kind of ephemera. They either call it ephemera, die cuts, odds and ends, chit chats, those kinds of things. So I'm going to go ahead and cut down this card layer to, I think, 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then I'm just cutting down another card layer to probably 2. And then I have another piece of pink. I believe this is cotton candy from MFT. If it's not cotton candy, it's bubblegum or something. It's something like that. It's definitely a pink from my favorite things. So one side of this is pattern and the other side is a plain pink. So I went ahead and added those. This has hot cocoa all over it, and I thought it went really well with that cup of cheer sentiment. So I'm going to go ahead and get those adhered with some, again, Scotch mounting foam. You're going to see that as a running theme through this series. So speaking of Photoplay, I actually went ahead and broke my no-buy. I know, I said I wasn't going to, but I did it. And I picked up their adorable gnome collection for their holiday 2021. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's bright, it's vibrant. I picked up a stamp set, a couple of stencils, or maybe just one stencil, and their paper, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys because it's just so pretty. Okay, for this one actually turned out to be really, really simple. I just added the stripe to this turquoise piece of paper, and then we're going to add this to a red card base. So all of those layers are about 1/8 of an inch different, and then I've already got a piece of white on the inside. I'm using the back side of this. I believe it was a grid for the pattern paper, and then I'm just going to add these 2 die cuts together with just a little bit of tape runner, and then I'm going to add some little dimensionals all around it. I'm going to use the Scotch mounting foam in the middle, and then the little either like the little squares, or it may be the little mini dimensionals, all around the frame. And I did that instead of trying to cut up the Scotch melting foam into a billion little pieces. Yeah, I use these mini dimensionals from Stampin' Up. I have a ton of these, so you're gonna see them get some use. And I wanna save my scrapbook adhesive squares for when I need to use them on a Scrapbook Pal video, which only have a couple left. I'm gonna be so sad. I've had the most fun on that design team. So I'm just going to remove the adhesive, and then we are going to add some adhesive to the back of the sentiment. I'm going to get this adhered. These are quick, simple, easy. Again, you just need a paper trimmer, you need some adhesive, and you need some cardstock, and of course the pattern paper. Make sure you check out, I get most of my pattern paper at A Cherry on Top or scrapbook.com. Both of them tend to have the collections with the ephemera or stickers, etc. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Make sure that you're checking out the Instagram and the Facebook groups and all the things. As I've mentioned before, these cards should be available around or on October the 1st. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.